Welcome to a Psalm a Day devotional by Tori Slaughter, day 312, From Rebellion to Restoration, Reflections on Psalm 106. Psalm 106 closes with a story we know all too well, failure met by forgiveness. Verses 32 through 39 recount Israel's repeated rebellion, from Meribah's frustration to idol worship among foreign nations. Their downfall was not sudden, it began with distraction. They forgot the God who saved them and traded intimacy for imitation. Before long, compromise became captivity. But here's the beauty of mercy. Even when Israel's disobedience stirred God's anger, his compassion still moved. He took note of their distress when he heard their cry. For their sake, he remembered his covenant. That's the heartbeat of our faith. God remembers us even when we forget him. His discipline isn't punishment, it's redirection. Every hardship becomes an invitation back to holiness. The psalm ends with a cry that turns into worship. Save us, Lord, our God, and gather us from the nations, that we may give thanks to your holy name. That's how maturity sounds. It remembers, repents, and then rejoices. When mercy gathers what rebellion scattered, praise is the only proper response. So, as this week closes, take a moment to thank God for not giving up on you. His mercy has chased you through every wilderness, waited at every detour, and welcomed you home again.